Welcome to 1 Minute Millionaire. I'm Michael Worthington and I'm joined with Gerhard Stoop. How are you, Gerhard?
Excited for today, Michael.
It is going to be a thrill. You know, a lot of people say to me, is it possible to be a 1 minute millionaire? And my example I always give is, have you heard of millionaires who've lost it all? I'll put my hand up. Yeah. But then they get it back. It might take them 10 years to make the first million. They lose it, and then it takes them 3 months, and they've got it back plus some. And I'm sure there's people watching would have heard similar stories to that as well.
We all know those people. And I think there's a reason why. Because the first time you do it, you learn a lot of lessons throughout the process. Yep. And also 10 years later, there's new technologies, there's social media, there's new products, and you've learned lessons. And if you apply those lessons with your second time you do it,
yep,
learn from your mistakes.
And that, I think, is the key, isn't it? I mean, when you go through it, you think, geez, if I'd have known this the first time round, yes, how easy would it have been? And we basically put together, well, you coined the phrase, recipes for success cards.
Yes, I think for the idea is that there is a recipe to be successful. And one of the most important things for me is consistency. Yeah. You have to do those small things right all the time. Yeah. If you don't, and you don't make it, then you say, well, these programs are not working. Well, we've got a program that if you do it for 90 days consistently, you will see the change and the results in your life and in your business.
And you know, it was one of the things when we were designing this, and I've done programs, I confess, and I haven't completed them, and I'll confess to that. They just got me so bogged down. I was so busy. I didn't have actual time to do the program. And you said, well, in this one, Michael, we've said you can do it quickly. So the program should be in small, bite-sized chunks so people can complete it quickly.
Well, whenever I speak to clients, there's always two things that's the issue: time and money. Yep. So when we came together over a coffee,
yes,
we decided that it needs to be time efficient, yep, and it needs to be affordable. So we came up with the concept that this program will cost you 1 cup of coffee a day.
So,
which is really hard for me.
Yeah, that's your favorite. So basically, guys, 1 Minute Millionaire, we're going to take you through all the process, all the steps, all the skills of what to focus on. I mean, multimillionaires, billionaires, they run multiple companies. And look, they're not working 24/7. You know that. You see them on their holidays. They do things very, very quickly, very succinctly. And it's knowing what to focus on and what decisions to make at what time that gets them those results. That's what this program is about. I laugh because you said about giving a coffee. We said, I tell you what, we'll make them give up a coffee. Yes. And we'll make sure that they can complete each day in the length of time they would have spent drinking that coffee that exactly. You guys have just given up.
You have to give up something to get something. Yeah. I think that is life. In life there's balance. You know, there's positive, there's negative. There's up, there's down, there's day, there's night. Yeah. In your business there's profit, there's loss. You have to give up something to get something. So for you to be successful, what you're going to give up is 10 minutes a day, yep, and a cup of coffee to pay for it.
So what we've done underneath here, we've put 3 little videos, just give you a taste of what we're going to be doing. But really, if you really want to have that freedom, you want to have that lifestyle, you want to create that wealth to give you the life that you really do want, I encourage you, join 1 Minute Millionaire. We built a community section. That's why we're using this platform. So we can get in and support people and make sure you do complete it and you do achieve those results that you want.
But I think also to share your successes with other people.
Yeah.
And you might even motivate other people to say, you know what, maybe I should spend that 10 minutes a day to do this program.
Absolutely. So welcome aboard, 1 Minute Millionaire.